Now my bedtime alarm is on, by the way. 7:45. My phone gone on to my flight mode automatically. So now you guys can sleep when I start talking. That's what usually happens. What do you think? No? So I want to thank you. Before I start, I want to thank you all for coming. I really appreciate it. I think, and I know that you guys are sick of me saying that. The reason why I say thanks, so that I don't forget the contribution that you guys have. Thank you very much, Prabhu, for coming. We missed you, really, really did.
We were counting weeks, that's what I told him.
No, thank you, I really appreciate it. No, it means a lot. It means a lot. Prabhu, actually what happens is even one person misses, we miss na. Family is a little bit thoda sa kami ho jati hai na. So I really think that I want to thank you all for coming. I really appreciate each one of you. हमारा जो effort है to glorify the Lord and to present this spiritual understanding in a very intimate setting, it is only possible क्योंकि आप लोग यहाँ पर हो. And I know it's not easy. Like आप लोग अपने बच्चों को you organize everything कि यहाँ पर आएंगे, everybody is getting ready, बच्चों की class है, and Mata ji and Prabhu ji open their house, and it's a lot. It's a lot. But at the same time, for Krishna, we can do this much. Huh? So thank you very much for coming. And the announcements that I have is that we are, I think there is a kids, Mataji is teaching kids for the dance on the 15th, isn't it? For the 15th. So everything is sorted there. So all the kids group is done. Mothers are on that group. They're okay, perfect. So, and 15th of February there is a Saint Kilda festival, and it is gonna be Rath Yatra. And please come everyone, all of you. Yes, beta.
It's a really good festival.
It is a really good festival. Can I have that mic, please?
We also get free soda drinks.
Sorry?
We get free
We get free
watermelon.
soda drinks.
Free soda drinks.
Free watermelon.
Yes, watermelon, yes. There is watermelon, yes. There is so what's happening is, guys, वहाँ पर ना बहुत सारा we will have, so no need to cook any lunch. Just come there, we'll do Rath Yatra, we'll pull the Rath cart, then we'll do there is a big massive show that's going to happen. Lot of kirtan, lot of dancing, lot of prasadam, and there'll be pizzas, burgers, dabeli and this valley and that valley, whatever you like, fancy. Everything is gonna be there. So please come. We will, अगर हम लोग सब लोग as a family वहाँ पर होंगे ना, it will be really nice. We will hang out together in a different setting than just here sitting like this, Kids can roam around, play around as well. Really nice. So please come. अपना पहले से ही कुछ program बना के रखो. Whatever works, whatever you need to change, please do that. Now we're gonna do a quick video, and I want all of you to look at this video and share and I want youth, especially our youth, please make sure you're prepared to participate in this. I want your feedback as well in this, okay? Mataji, you won't be able to see it. Do you want to come somewhere else? Okay. All right.
Never evaluate anything by face value. What is good may be bad for you, what is bad may be good for you. Trust the process. Trust the timing of the universe. Seed होता है ना बीज कभी कभी 5-5 साल तक वो शेल्फ पे वैसा ही पड़ा रहता है जी, जैसे आप लोग कभी कभी पड़े रहते हैं विदाउट हायरिंग, ऐसे ही पड़ा रहता है बीज पे, वो पे रेस्टलेस होता है, मेरा कब टर्न आएगा, कब होगा मेरा. But the beach has tremendous potential. If the seed stays for 5 years, does the tree in the seed die? Why do you allow the tree inside you to die just because it's taking time? Just because it's taking time, why do you allow the tree inside you to die? Don't allow it to die. अरे बीच के अंदर है अभी सीड रहता है 5 साल बाद भी. And guess what? After 5 years, somebody comes and says, इतना अच्छा बीज है, sows it under the soil. After the seed is sown, it needs the right environment, sunlight, water, सब लगता है. You need the right association, the right company for the tree to come, like Jambavan trusted Hanuman. And last but not the least, when the seed sprouts and comes out, अंधेरे में रहता है जी अंदर. बोला 5 साल रुका और अंधेरे में दफना दिया मेरे को. 5 साल रुकने के बाद ये टॉक्सिक वर्क प्लेस में बैठा दिया मेरे को. Guess what? Once the tree starts growing, breaking through the darkness, coming out through the soil, pressure लगता है उसमें, धीरे धीरे उठता है ऊपर, देता है फल सारी दुनिया को. So don't lose hope, don't lose patience.
Hare Krishna. So let's do the sharing. Who wants to share? What did we learn from this? Yes, beta. Hang on.
Never let the tree die what is inside in you.
Wow. Well done, beta. That's really good. Never let the tree die with.
People, and then I haven't watched the entire thing. And then it says saying like, do not lose hope.
Yes.
And be patient. And then the small seed you have to put right environment, water, sunlight. You have to put everything, and we have to be patient. And then after 5 years, the seed will grow, and then it will give like some fruits to the world.
Wow. Very good. Well done.
Very deep.
Pritesh. Well done, beta.
So today in my school we had for just my grade we had this motivational speech.
Yes.
He was this guy. He found he was a rugby player.
Rugby player, yeah.
All Blacks in New Zealand.
Yeah.
But till the age of 90, he stopped playing because he had the wrong association, and because he stopped believing in himself sometimes, and the people say the bad, when they said bad things to negative comments to him, he gave up. But then after that, he decided to chase his dreams back again, and
Yeah.
got into the right association with people, and then he made his own business.
Yeah.
And now he's the founder of a company that helps young children.
Very nice. Look how he's like a true preacher. The way he connected it is amazing. So he connected something that happened in school. So yes, thank you, beta. That's really good. And we need to be in right association in order for us to grow. मैं आप लोगों को बोलता रहता हूँ कि please don't miss the association of this weekly association of Bhakti Vriksha, not because of anything else. What happens is there is not just कि we see familiar faces कि हाँ यार दोस्त मिल गए हाँ वो हो गया. Not just that. What happens is there is a different energy in this environment. Nobody comes to this environment by force. हाँ कुछ husbands आते हैं बीवी के force करने से, but usually not, majority people come on their own, so when people come on their own, they bring different energy, and that energy gives us positivity, so this is what we are looking for. So don't miss this association at all, because every week if you miss one association, that means you don't have an association of devotees for 15 days. Make sense? एक मिस करा, then 15 days. अगर आपने 2 मिस कर दिया, कितने दिन हो गए? 21. और तीन बार मिस कर दिया, पूरा महीना निकल गया. So कोई बोलेगा, how many classes have you missed? Only 3. But you haven't been for the whole month, So please make sure that you're here. Thank you very much. Anyone else? Anyone from adults? I want to hear what they have. They got out of this talk. No one. I'm not going to go forward until I hear you.
It's only children.
It's only children. I know you guys understand it. You think that it is very easy thing. It is simple concept, but I still want you to, put your own words. What did you learn? Yes. Can you have the mic at the back, please?
I'll not use the mic, I'll just say it.
Come on. Because people want people to hear you. Otherwise, yes.
So I think it is just like the way I felt was, it's like the baby in a womb of a mother.
Yes.
And how a mother, has it for 9 months, and how the baby, like in the womb, it's very hard. It's very difficult.
It's a difficult
for the
time,
baby.
yeah.
And when the baby comes out, what environment we give to the
Yes.
child,
Yeah.
and in the environment what the child is growing, makes that
Yes.
young human
Yes.
into a like adult when it
Yes.
so the personality what we develop as a human adults
Yes.
is all comes right
Yes.
from the beginning
Yes,
in the
yes.
womb till
Yeah.
we are independent.
Beautiful. Most of our belief systems that we have right now, they're built in first 5 years. अगर आपने पहले 5 साल बच्चों की धुलाई कर दी है ना, तो वो फिर they will have the same impression for the rest of their life. Obviously, you can work on it and you can learn, get out of it as well. But inherently that will be your nature, है ना. और जितना हम जैसे कई बार होता है ना, हमारे बच्चों को बोलते हैं, hey, don't do this. लोग क्या बोलेंगे? You say this sentence, some people जो देखेंगे क्या बोलेंगे वो. So what we are putting in their head is, it is important that लोग क्या बोलेंगे. That's what we are putting in their head. Yes, but
But our teacher told us to say instead
British.
of saying do not talk. So our teacher told us this on a leadership conference that when we say do not do this, they do not know what others to do next. So when you say do it,
yes.
you'll give more info.
Yes, so you don't just say don't do it. You give them something else to do, rather than just saying don't do it, because that creates a vacuum and vacuum gets filled up really quickly. And if you don't fill it up, they will fill it up themselves. And same thing with us, even as adults. Like अगर हमारे पास पूरा दिन है ना, बीबी मायके गई है, तो सबसे पहले चलता है नेटफ्लिक्स. कोई बोलने वाला नहीं है, बर्तन भी नहीं धोने हैं, सिंक में पड़े रहेंगे, like. So, कई बार क्या होता है, what do we do with our time is because if we don't have plan for that time, the time gets filled by all the rubbish. ठीक है? तो आप लोगों ने सुना है time expands itself. So for example, if someone tells me, Brijesh, I want you to, sometimes my wife says, look, I'm going to church and when I come back, can you please do these 5 things? So I have 2 hours to do those 5 things. And I'll be able to do all 5 things. But if she is not coming till the night, then I will wait till the night to do all those 5 things. So what happens is the time gets filled with the work, so the work has expanded and takes up the whole time. So that's why it's important for us to, जो आप बोल रहे थे ना कि the baby is inside the womb, when it comes out the जो environment होता है वैसा बनता है, but actually it starts from before. Even when the baby is in the womb, the environment that the baby is in, जैसे if parents are fighting, if they're yes, but it's like a seed. Yes, that's correct. It's like a seed. And what happens is, if the baby is not, there are a lot of traumas, they're finding it now, they're actually coming from, these kids are from the time when the baby was in the womb. A lot of traumas. Yes, beta.
It's just like when you give too much water to the seed, it won't grow properly. And if the baby doesn't have the right conditions, it won't have the proper health conditions.
Very nice. Very good connection, beta. Very good connection. I want one more sharing. Yes. Oh, first you.
You can't grow in the right environment.
You can't?
Grow in the right environment.
You can't grow, you can.
In the right environment.
Okay, in the right environment. Very nice. Very nice.
Pratish, Prabhu, yeah.
Prabhu, what about the seed? The seed also has a covering to it, and
Yes.
and it's difficult for it to break that covering, which is, I feel sometimes we all have that mental
covering with ourselves, that where we feel we may not be able to break it, but it is within us itself. When it sprouts, it breaks that, and then it is above again, and that like under the earth, it's again got so many things before it can literally come out. It's not so. I feel that under the earth environment is like us in the world. We have so many challenges, different kind of challenges, and we sometimes feel that we don't think we can do it or be able to break those, and it's difficult. But if we consistently and keep on pushing, we can
It will work.
come above.
Definitely. Well done. So what happens is what happen हम लोगों के साथ क्या होता है कि when we are growing up, when we put into difficulties, हमें लगता है कि oh my goodness यार ये क्या हो रहा है? Why is it happening to me? ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप लोगों में से किसके साथ ऐसा हुआ है? You think about why me? Raise your hand if this happened to you. Why me? Yeah? होता है? Can anyone tell me why me? Why? What's the reason? Why me? Yes. Why me?
Because Prabhu, I am meant to come. I'm here to grow.
Yes.
I'm supposed to go through those challenges, those pain, because I may have different to her or to him.
Yeah.
And for his growth, whatever is important,
Beautiful.
that's the kind of challenges he will get. But for me, what is important, I will get those challenges, and
Beautiful.
there's growth in those challenges, basically.
Beautiful. You know what? When I pray, sometimes when I finish praying with you guys and I close my eyes and I'm silent for a few seconds, एक second बेटा, हाथ नीचे करो. So what happens is, I'm praying that Krishna, let me speak things that's gonna help each individual. And whichever space you are in, a lot of us, including myself, we all have a lot of burdens, a lot of baggages, a lot of stress, a lot of different things that is happening in our life. So when I say, Krishna, please help me, whatever comes out of your mouth is not my realization, it's actually a realization coming from acharyas, and it should hit those people in different ways, the way they want. जितनी उनको need है, जैसी need है ना? So that's why when we speak, sometimes मैं एक ही चीज बोलूँगा, it will land differently. So the why me is because it's for my growth, and it's all my karma. If I'm in trouble right now, agar for example, if I have suppose if I'm going through a physical ailment, and then I'll say, oh, इसने मुझे गर्मी से आती है ठंडा ठंडा बर्फ वाला पानी पिला दिया, इसकी गलती है. उसकी गलती नहीं है. आपको खांसी हुई है because it was in your karma. You needed to go through this. So sometimes there are 5 things we cannot change in our lives. कोई बता सकता है what are the 5 things we cannot change in our life? Janma, Mrityu. What else? No. That's Janma, Mrityu, Sukh, Dukh. 6 things. Janma, Mrityu, Sukh, Dukh, मान और अपमान. You cannot change this. ये आपके लिखा के लाए हो, and you cannot change it. But what can you change them? अगर आप सुख और दुख नहीं चेंज कर सकते तो फिर फायदा क्या है? कोई बोलेगा प्रभु आपने तो बोल दिया सुख दुख कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा, मान अपमान भी चेंज नहीं होगा, जन्म मृत्यु भी चेंज नहीं होगा, तो मैं तो हाथ पे हाथ धर के बैठा हूँ. I don't want to do anything. चादर ओढ़ के चारपाई पे सो जाता हूँ मैं. So why is it, if ये 6 चीजें fixed हैं, so why do we live?
Well, we should follow the Varagini principles.
Close. Yes.
How we deal with all of those, we can change.
Yes. It's not what's happening. It's how we are responding to it. That is important. Yes. For example, मान भी होगा. अगर आप मान में दम्भ हो गया आपको, you became so proud. Then what happens? Pride comes before the fall. ठीक है? So अगर अपमान हुआ and किसी ने अपमान कर दिया, ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया मुझे? Sometimes, I used to tell, Roxy, that your cousin said that to me, I didn't like it. And then she will look at me, she goes, oh, so your ego got hurt. Oh, yes, my ego got hurt. I mean, किसने क्या बोला, क्या फर्क पड़ता है ना? So what happens is हमारी लाइफ में जो भी हो रहा है, who is responsible for it? Me. अगर मैं परेशान हूँ, किस लिए परेशान हूँ? मेरी वजह से. मेरी बीवी की वजह से नहीं परेशान हूँ, मेरी वजह से परेशान हूँ. बच्चे की वजह से नहीं परेशान हूँ, मेरी वजह से. सास ससुर की वजह से नहीं परेशान हूँ, मेरी वजह से परेशान हूँ. लेकिन क्या है, we have to understand that when we understand this, nobody else is responsible for my grief, then what happens is it's easier for us to accept it. And then we can move on. What was the other question that I asked? Why me? So why me? Because it's my karma. Why me? Because I need to grow. जितनी ज़्यादा ग्रोथ होनी है, उतना ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आएगी. आपको, हम लोगों को क्या चाहिए? जिम भी नहीं जाना पड़े और 6 पैक भी बन जाए. That's not possible. Oh, it's possible if you can get someone to draw 6 packs on your tummy. That's okay. But it's actually not possible for you to have 6 pack if you don't go to the gym. It's not possible. Similarly, if you don't want to grow, then don't worry about issues like, don't look for problems.
Prabhu, I want to share.
Yes. You got the mic here.
I want to share in exactly easy point a very recent experience. I was having a very bad backache. I had to go to Sydney for work and 3 days this time. So on Monday I went to the physio and whatever he did, it further aggravated my pain, and I was on Tuesday, it was very bad. I could not cancel the trip also, but I had to go. I managed, and by the time I reached office, I had painkillers, it's still not subsiding, and I was standing, I pulled the desk, I could not sit. And there's a lot of stress at work going on, and my manager comes and again gives me a further spill. Stop having a victim mentality. Give me the solution, it's in your hand.
Wow.
He was talking about the work, like essential के साथ काम कर रहे हैं हम, तो बहुत ज़्यादा painful है. So it was very difficult from that perspective, but and I was like, what an idiot, मेरे को lecture दे रहा है, इसको क्या पता है कि क्या go through है, इसमें मेरी क्या victim है, वो deliver नहीं करे, what can I do in that? Anyways, by the time I went home, शाम को होटल गई, उसके बाद next day morning when I was doing my chanting, and very interesting, this victim word kept on annoying me, because it comes somewhere, it hurt my ego as well.
Yeah.
But and during the whole day, everybody was asking, you've been standing, are you okay? Because I was in pain, but I sat, and when I was meditating, chanting, and the thoughts keep on coming, that victim word kept on hitting me, and in that moment, what came to me is that I kind of told Keshav that you've given me this pain because there is a reason for it, and you want me to grow with this. There must be a reason I'm in this job also, because I'm supposed to learn, because I've been trying to find a job to move back to Melbourne, which is not travel and all that stuff. And you will find a solution for this. I just need to surrender to you and accept this. Yes. And Prabhu, I accepted that, and you won't believe it. I didn't believe it. By the time I reached office, my pain had literally from 9 to it went 3.
Wow.
It was so bearable. I felt, what just happened?
It's acceptance.
It was a very, I was telling my sister about this, and I was like, I don't know, it sounds freaky, it sounds very, तुझे लगेगा कि बकवास कर रही क्या है, ऐसे इतना थोड़ी होता है.
It is.
But it was so true. The moment I surrendered, I literally had that pure surrender moment to him, that I am in pain, you are in me, it is a pain you are giving your own self, and if you've given me, then I'm meant to grow through this. Just those lines, Prabhu, and believe me, it was just very different. I came back also, yesterday also my pain was there, but even now, it's manageable.
Wow.
On Tuesday it was this roof.
So what you just shared, it's
Thank you.
Have you heard of Joe Dispenza? How many of you have heard of Dr. Joe Dispenza? So I want you to Google Dr. Joe Dispenza. He has done massive studies on this. So what happens is, when we are in a lot of stress, that stress sometimes stays in our body, different parts, and we उसके कारण हम लोगों को जगह जगह पेन होता है. And then what happens is if you can remove that stress only, your 80% of your issues will, physical issue will go away. Most of our issue that we have in our body, anxiety as well, वो किस लिए होता है? Stress के कारण. So, and the best way to get rid of the stress is you accept what's happening with you. कोई मेरे को ऑफिस में गाली दे रहा है, somebody is pushing my button, somebody is trying to, aggravate me. Take it as it's okay. Somebody is trying to do this. Why? Because the person is just an instrument to make me grow. It's hard. Look, जब हम लोग इससे गुजर रहे होते हैं ना, these teachings are not very easily implemented. But that's how you will implement. That's how you will practice it when you implement it. So next time, if you're going through a bad time, just think that what am I gonna get out of this? May I say what part of me is gonna grow up with this, and let's see what happens. Thank you for sharing. Really appreciate it. So let's go back to our chapter 1 में हम लोगों ने देखा था कि Arjun had 5 reasons he didn't want to fight. One was compassion, then was enjoyment, fear of sinful reaction, destruction of family tradition, and indecision. और लास्ट वाले उसमें हमने देखा था अर्जुन said, I want to surrender onto you, please help me, you help me. And that's where we stopped. We're going to start from there now. Okay, repeat after me. Sanjay Uvacha Eva Muktva Rishikesham Gudakesha Parantapah Nayotsya iti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Bhabhuvaha Sanjay Uvacha Eva Mukta Rishikesham Gudakesha Parantapah Nayotsya iti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Bhabhuvaha.
Sanjay Uvacha Eva Muktva Rishikesham Gudakesha Parantapah Nayotsya iti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Bhabhuvaha.
Sanjay Uvacha Eva Muktva Rishikesham Gudakesha Parantapah
Nayotsya iti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Bhabhuvaha.
Sanjay Uvacha
Eva Muktva Rishikesham Gudakesha Parantapah
Nayotsya iti Govindam
Uktva Tushnim Bhabhuvaha.
Sanjay Uvacha Eva Muktva Rishikesham Gudakesha Parantapah Nayotsya iti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Bhabhuvaha.
Anyone else? Yes.
Sanjay Sanjay Uvacha.
How's
Evam Uktva. The blue one.
I tried the yellow one.
No, that one.
Blue one, yes.
Evam Utva Rishikesham.
Evam.
Evam. Evam. Utva Rishikesham.
Shram.
Gudakesha
Shram.
Parantapaha
Parantaranta.
Nayotsya
Mayucha.
Iti
Iti.
Govindam
Govindam.
Uktva
Uttva.
Tushnim
Tushri.
Babuha
Bahuva.
Ha.
Ha.
Yes, at the back.
माइक होगा ना पीछे.
At the back.
Hey, 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 hey.
Sanjay Vacha. Eva Mukta Rishikesham.
Eva Mukta Rishikesham
Gudakesham Parantapa.
Gudakeshah Parantapa
Nayotsya iti Govindam.
Nayotsya iti Govindam
Uktva Tushnim Babhuvaha.
Upatushnim Babuvaha. Anyone else? Okay, Mataji.
Sanjay Uvacha.
Sanjay Uvacha
Evam Ukva Rishikesham.
Evam Uktva Rishikesham
Gudakesha Parantapa.
Gudakeshah Parantapa
Nayotsya iti Govindam.
Nayotsya iti Govindam
Ukva Sunim Babhuvaha.
Upatushnim Bahuvaha. Thank you. Brenda, you want to read that?
Sanjay said, having spoken thus, Arjuna, Chaitanya of enemies, told Krishna, Govinda, I shall not fight, and fell silent.
Now Arjun said he said, Krishna, I am not going to fight. I'm sorry, I don't have printout today, so he's breaking down now. Arjun is breaking down. How many of us think that sometimes we break down? Raise your hands. Yeah? So we can relate to this. So imagine, what is the thing in here? It says, he says, I can't fight. He said, I can't fight. Now, most honest breakdown in the history. He said, Govinda, I shall not fight. Drama nahi kar raha ho. He's not doing drama. You know, कई बार होता है ड्रामा कर रहे हैं. ड्रामा नहीं है. It's sometimes we are going through such havoc in our life. Sometimes the shutdown. You know, have you seen some people who get so anxious that they pass out? You've seen it. You know what is it? This is body's reaction saying that, you know what? If you keep going like this, you will damage the whole body. So I'm going to shut it down. This instrument is going to shut down now. And that's why when we get so scared, like some people, you know, when they get so scared, they pass out. Because this is a system that body has created to protect us. So, यहाँ पर क्या है? This is existential shutdown. Arjun, पूरे first chapter में he's already spoken. है ना? He's presented his logic. He was very logical. He was very morally correct. Again, we read that clearly. He had compassion. He had emotions. And now he reached a stage. He said, none of this is helping me. सारे logic जो मैंने बताया, it's not helping me. So उसकी जो ये silence थी, he felt silent. ये बहुत important है. This is a turning point. भगवद गीता का जो सबसे बड़ा turning point है वो ये वाला है. Where he actually turns. He said, no, I shall not fight. He made a decision. But before he made that decision, what did he do? He surrendered to Krishna. He said, you know, please guide me. I am not fighting. So that means now when he says I am not fighting, what he is saying is I am done. Energy उसका level क्या था? I am done. अब मेरे को नहीं, अब से मेरे से नहीं हो रहा ये. I am done. हमारे साथ भी होता है. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है हमारी लाइफ में? We think I am done. है ना? We tell our partners, I am done. I can't handle this anymore. Don't talk to me for next 2 days or whatever it is. You know. Not 2 days, maybe 2 hours, because then you won't get food. So just 2 hours, don't talk to me. But what happens is, this is when the mind exhausts arguments, but pain remains. अब उसने क्या करा, जैसे हमारे साथ होता ना, we give all the justification हमारी लाइफ में, ये मेरी लाइफ में इसलिए हो रहा है प्रभु, because ये आपको पता है मेरा बॉस कैसा है, आपको पता है माता जी सॉरी, आपको पता है हाउ इज माय फ्रेंड, आपको पता है मेरा बॉस कैसा है, आपको पता है कि जिससे मैं जिस एनवायरनमेंट में पला बड़ा हूं, आपको तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है ना. सो ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स क्या होता है, दीज थिंग्स आर ऑल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. हम कितनी भी आर्ग्यूमेंट कर लें, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज पेन रह जाता है अंदर. नाउ दैट्स व्हेन दिस थिंग हैपन. और हमारे साथ भी रहता है. तो इसमें टीचिंग पॉइंट क्या है, भगवद गीता डज नॉट बिगिन विद विजडम. कई बार लगता है ना, लोग कहते हैं आई नो भगवद गीता, आई हैव रेड भगवद गीता, बहुत ज्ञान है उसमें. लेकिन वो ज्ञान से पहले सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या होती है, इट बिगिंस विद अ साइकोलॉजिकल ऑनेस्टी. हमारे साथ नॉट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैड प्रॉब्लम, दे डोंट वांट टू एक्सेप्ट दैट दे आर स्टक. क्योंकि हमारी उससे नाक छोटी हो जाती है, नाक नीचे हो जाती है ना. If I say कि ना I'm stuck, उससे तो भाई नाक नीचे हो जाएगी. आप अपनी वाइफ को बोल नहीं सकते यार ये मेरे को नहीं आता है, क्योंकि हमारी नाक छोटी हो जाएगी, नाक नीचे हो जाएगी. But that's not true, you know. When psychological honesty happens ना, it creates credibility. Yes.
Prabhu, psychological honesty with whom?
Huh?
With whom?
Yourself, actually. I was going back to that. But what happens is, we start off with people around us because we can understand this easily. You know, when we talk about on psychological honesty to yourself, it gets harder. क्योंकि I have got no problem. I have no problem. आपको पता है प्रभु, I actually have no problem. सारी की सारी प्रॉब्लम मेरे घर वालों में ही है. I have no problem. Because that's the hardest thing. It's a psychological barrier that tells us I have no issues. So that's called psychological honesty. Arjun is described as Gudakesh. You know what is the meaning of Gudakesh? What is the meaning of Gudakesh? No. Gudakesh. Huh? Arjun, yeah. Gudakesh is Arjun's name. गुड़ा का मतलब होता है इग्नोरेंस. एश का मतलब होता है जिसने उसको कंट्रोल कर लिया, उसको पावर उससे उसकी पावर ज्यादा हो गई है. सो दैट मीन्स हु हैज एक्चुअली कॉन्कर्ड इग्नोरेंस. अज्ञान को जिसने खत्म कर दिया और ज्ञान को पूरी तरीके से ले लिया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड गुड़ाकेश. आप सोचो समवन, अब इसका क्या मतलब है, हम लोग क्या पढ़ाते हैं, प्रभु यू गेट द ज्ञान एंड यू वोंट हैव एनी इश्यूज. लेकिन भगवान ये कौन है, गुड़ाकेश है खुद ही. व्हाई इज ही हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम? बिकॉज knowledge is not everything. Knowledge is not everything. There is something beyond this. So Gudakesh मतलब the one who has conquered ignorance, and दूसरा है परंतप. अर्जुन को एक और नाम से बुलाया गया है, that name is परंतपः. What does that mean? That's correct. Who has actually अपने enemies पे उसने विजय पा ली है. Every kind of enemy. And Arjun था ऐसा. So अब सोचो somebody who is chastisers of enemy, who has conquered ignorance, he's saying, no, now you say, I will not fight. Imagine that guy. So spiritually he's capable, but he's mentally paralyzed. आप लोग कितना भी ज्ञान ले लो, you will still not be able to conquer that thing that will paralyze your mind. There is something else which we'll talk about. So this is not weak. So when he says I'm not going to fight, this is not the weakness of the character. What's happening is he is misaligned his identity. Now हम लोगों के साथ क्या होता है, when we get कोई हम लोगों को क्या बोलते हैं, रोहित प्रभु, सॉरी. So what happens is हम लोगों को कोई अगर उंगली करता है ऐसे करके, हम लोगों को गुस्सा आ जाता है कि यार ये क्या कर रहा है ना. अब क्या हो रहा है कि because we understand ourselves, who am I? I am Brijesh. I am a Bhakti Vriksha self-servant leader. I am a husband, I am a son, I am a brother. These are my identities. And another identity is I am the best. And when someone questions that, then I get upset. How can you say you know, if you don't know, stay with me, I'll prove that I'm the best. Okay, bro, just stay with me. That's it, that's all you need to do. Stay with me and you'll know. Because this pride that we have, this is called, I have created this as an identity that I'm the best, and that is an issue. That's why someone says you're not the best and say, what? Simple example है, Prabhu, if I say, Prabhu, I don't like your pink hair, Prabhu won't mind because he does not have pink hair. You know, if someone tells me, Brijesh, I question your intelligence, what? Because I question my intelligence inside, you know. So if someone says is, हमको बुरा कब लगता है जब हम वैसे हैं, है ना? Just imagine, हमको सड़क पे कोई खड़ा होगा, सड़क पे कोई गाली दे रहा है, we will not mind. But हमारे घर में किसी ने बोल दिया, प्रभु, I thought you are my friend. What's going on? है ना? क्योंकि what's happening here? My identity is based on what he thinks about me. और यहाँ पर जो प्रॉब्लम है वो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Arjun has an identity and he is misaligning his identity. What is the identity of a human being?
Part and parcel of the.
Huh?
Part and parcel of the.
Yes. What is the identity we have? We are servant of Krishna, part and parcel of Krishna. This is our identity. Any other identity is false identity. I am better than you. I am better than you. This is false identity. I am a leader. That's a false identity. Anything that does not let us is true. Anything that is not directly linked to Krishna is our false identity. That's not a real identity. और जब उस identity पे आघात होता है, तो हम लोग बहुत परेशान हो जाते हैं. And that is the reason why we cry. Yes, Prabhu. Mike, who's got the mic?
It's alright, Prabhu. I'll be louder.
No, Prabhu. I think.
Mic is the
So, it's alright, Prabhu.
So Prabhuji, very recently I was listening to one of the podcasts from S.P. Keshav Swami Maharaj. So he was delivering this conference with the corporates. तो उसमें इसी के बारे में बात हो रही थी, the true identity, right? So उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छा सा इसमें डिफरेंस बताया था कि one is the roles we do.
One sir?
The roles that we do. You know, as you said.
We have the roles here.
आप ये हो, आप वो हो. But those are not you.
Yeah.
If you erase all of these, then who are you? Alright? So effectively what you just said, you know, आपने उसका निचोड़ बता दिया. But वो the way he kept on asking people, अच्छा आप ये नहीं तो कौन हो, तो कौन हो, कौन हो.
Yes.
So it came out very nice.
Yes, because we are not this body, we are not this mind as well. कई बार हमें लगता है ना कि somebody was telling me, if I put you in pressure, whatever you become, that's you. No, that's not me. Sometimes in pressure I break down, sometimes I don't. So who am I? I'm not my body. I'm not actually my mind as well. I'm not the way I think as well. All of those things are external to me. Who am I is Jivere Sarup Hoy Krishnere Nitya Das. That's our identity. और यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? This is his misaligned identity. Now he's thinking that I'm a warrior. He's thinking of himself as what? He's thinking of himself as son, thinking of disciple, he's thinking of himself as a brother, he's thinking of all of those things. Grandson. His identity, he's only looking at that, and that's why he was giving all these arguments. Yes, Mataji.
Prabhu, आपने जो point बोला, it's a good point that you know we tell ourselves, we know हमें बुरा कब लगता है जब जो चीज़ हम हैं वो कोई और बोलता है. But shouldn't that be already easy to accept because we know that it is something that I am not, you know, let's say I'm lazy, I procrastinate. I know I procrastinate. Yeah. And you tell me, Rija, you procrastinate, you know that, right? Yeah. So, yeah, you're right. I mean, why is it difficult to accept then
yes, good point.
Be about it?
क्योंकि the reason is sometimes we know who we are. अंदर से हमको सबको पता है कितनी औकात है. 100% पता है. लेकिन सामने वाले को नहीं पता है। उसको पता चल गया, आपको कैसे पता चला? हाउ डिड यू नो? हमें क्या लगता है मेरे में प्रॉब्लम है, बट मैं क्या करूंगा, माय पर्सोना अराउंड पीपल इज सच कि उनको नहीं पता चलेगा। अगर उनको पता चल गया है, सो आइदर दे आर ब्लफिंग, है ना, वो ब्लफ कर रहे हैं, और दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू प्रोवोक मी। तो मैं उनको बोलूंगा कि यार क्यों, ऐसा तो मैं हूं ही नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं हूं, लेकिन मैंने आपको कभी शो ही नहीं करा। So I was, me and Rox, my wife, we were discussing, and then she was telling me that, you know, when we used to go on date, you were like really patient and things like that, and all those things. So, but now I see your true colors. तो मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा, have you ever gone to a car salesperson? Any car salesperson will never tell you anything bad about that car, ever. So I was that salesperson that time, you know. अब तो सेल हो गई है, अब तो खत्म है काम. Then I told her, but what happened is because I showed you my best version, and that I am as well. वो भी मैं ही हूँ. And when you see me in this really dug in the hole and trying to squirm out of it, वो भी मैं ही हूँ. And between that stage and between the stage that I was showing you before we got married, in between this, I oscillate because all of this is me, but that's my external self. My internal self is only one, which is Jivir Sarupa, Krishna Nityadas, I am Sat Chit Anand. That's my identity. So what happens is, some of that, like for example, somebody tells me, Brijesh, if you are, because I used to, before I came into Krishna consciousness, I was in sales and stuff. In sales, you have to lie a lot. And I was very proud of it. I used to be able to sell anything. So I was very proud of it. And I never thought it's wrong. I never thought that lying is wrong when you're trying to sell something. So if someone comes and tells me, like, but slowly I realized that's dishonesty. So I was selling people which probably not the right choice, right fit for them. So kya hua? I started feeling guilty. If someone will come and tell me, Brijesh, you are a dishonest person, I would get really angry. Because yes, I was that. I'm trying to get out of that now. You know? So if someone calls me, you're not honest, I get really angry. Even now. So, but what happens inside, I know that was part of me as well. But, kya ho gaya hai? I am not ready to face that. And until you're ready to face that, you can't eradicate it. And that's why most people, they will not accept their faults. You try it, and actually don't try it. It's dangerous. So, try and know yourself. Because what happens is, if you are if your life is like an open book, आप में जो problems है, people know about it. आप में जो अच्छाई है, people know about it. Your life will be very smooth. जो जैसा है वैसा है. But ऐसा भी नहीं करना है कि जैसा है वैसा है and I'm not gonna improve, कर लो क्या करोगे. कई लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं. मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ. मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ. That's not. आप ऐसे नहीं हो. You are behaving like this right now. You can change whenever you want. Some people say, oh no, I know. Like for example, laziness. Some people say, I'm really lazy. Yes, your actions may be lazy right now, but you can change it. If you say that no, I'm designed like that, that's stupidity. You're not designed like that. You chose to act like that, you can change it. And that's why people irk when you call their bluff, when you call them what they are not. Some people will take, like for example, if I tell you you're a procrastinator and you accept it, that becomes your strength. But if I tell, like for example, my brother, you're a procrastinator, that he was like, what are you talking about? And his morale might go down because he said, oh, मेरा भाई मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचता है. There must be some problem with me. So different people will take differently, depending on which growth curve you are on. उस कर्व में किस पॉइंट पे आप हो, उस पे डिपेंड करेगा आप उसको कैसे लोगे. That's why it's an art to discuss same thing with different people with different outcomes. Teachers को क्या सिखाया जाता है? That's what they are taught. There are people on a different scale. Everybody will get something out of it. You know? And that's what happens with us. And that's why some people get, no, I'm not like that. Or some people say, oh, thank you very much. That was a good feedback. I really appreciate it. So दोनों में the reason is one person is on a different point in that curve of growth. Another person is somewhere else, and that's the only difference, nothing else.
बट प्रभु एक और काउंटर क्वेश्चन है आई मीन आप जैसे आपने बोला यू राइट हमें तो पता है ना एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई नो हमें पता है कितना
नहीं, you'll be surprised, there are some people who have such blind spots. I've got a person who came to me and who said to me, I'm very open प्रभु, मेरी वाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है, इसको मैं छोड़ के आ रहा हूँ भक्ति वृक्षा, I'll pick her up later. मैंने कहा वाओ, मतलब इतना बड़ा blind spot. I know everything, मेरी वाइफ को सिखा देना, मैं I'll pick her up later. I mean, I'm actually not making this up. The exact same sentence मुझे बोला गया था, and I was like, I was standing there, and the guy told me this, and he just left, and I was like, I still meet that guy, by the way. I know this guy very well, but this is exactly what he said. I'm not making it up. So there are people like that. So
sir, I think वो सबका अपना एक जिंदगी एक नॉर्मल होता है. The way they have been living, they don't even realize.
Yes.
The day the realization comes, जैसे आप कह रहे थे dishonesty की बात या कुछ भी है, किसी के भी जीवन में जो behavior है, you start living that, you know, you don't realize कि you are at the wrong.
Yes.
The day that comes as a realization, that's when you see कि नहीं, yes, there is something wrong and you need to correct.
Exactly.
जिस दिन आप काम करना शुरू करेंगे उस correction, that's where it is.
Beautifully said. Very beautifully said. When you, so it's a choice. It's a choice. And what happens is sometimes it's easier to make that choice, sometimes it's not. वो मैं बताता हूँ. उसका in third chapter we will discuss it. When you are in a mode of satgun, it's easy to change. When you are a satogun, I tell you, Prabhu, give me one bad habit. You tell me your bad habit, and I say, Prabhu, change it. If you are a satogun, you will change it instantly. If you are rajogun, बोलोगे यार, you know, Brijesh Prabhu, I'll try. If you are tamogun, Prabhu, I don't have this problem. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मैं तो कभी करता ही नहीं ऐसे. मैंने this person that dropped his wife, he says, Prabhu, I've never argued with my wife. And you look at that wife's face, and she was so shocked. She goes, what? This guy doesn't argue like. And then she told me, she goes, Brijesh Prabhu, ask him. Maybe he doesn't know what is the meaning of argue. He doesn't probably know what it means. And I'm just saying this is true. So what we need to do is in that there are people who will not understand, and people have blind spots, real massive blind spots. Even sometimes we tell them, like for example, someone who is in gambling. You go and speak to a gambler, there are 50% gamblers, they will say, accept it's bad, but I can't do anything. But there are 50% of gamblers, you ask them, you say, there's nothing wrong with it.
Acceptance.
And there is no acceptance on it at all, zero acceptance. And unless and until you have acceptance, you cannot change. Arjun, this is the good thing about Arjun here, is Arjun is saying, I am ready to change. He said, I am, इससे पहले वाले वर्स में Arjun clearly said, I am surrendering unto you. And this for us is what we need to learn in this chapter. We need to understand that we have all of these qualities, we are confused, but what we need to do is we need to understand that Krishna is there to help us in terms of Bhagavad Gita, in terms of Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. So in this man, इसकी deeper insight क्या है? Arjun is not afraid of fighting. आप सोचो Arjun was the best archer in the world, है ना? He was not afraid of fighting. उसको किससे डर लग रहा था? I'm gonna cause pain. और वो pain क्यों दिख रहा था उसको? Because he was identifying himself as their relative. He was not considering anything else. है ना? He was just relative. So it's a very higher order confusion. अब जैसे modern examples क्या हैं? A leader avoiding decision to avoid hurting people. हम लोगों ने corporate world में कितनी बार देखा है ना? They teach us. You know, sometimes if you want people to grow, you need to hurt them as well. If they get hurt, it's okay. And कई teachers क्या बोलते हैं? I don't want to hurt. I want to be, you know, I want to be in good books. You know, you should love me, you should love me, you should love me. Everybody should love me because I'm a good person. Yes. Sorry, but I missed the call. Yeah. We're talking about Arjun. Arjun, he doesn't want to fight anymore. He doesn't want to fight anymore. and he doesn't want to hurt people. And that is not good leadership, by the way. Leadership does not mean you don't hurt people. Leadership is you don't hurt people unnecessarily.
So you don't hurt people at the wrong time.
That's correct. And for example, if Pritesh is walking on a hill, walking just next to a very steep ditch, and I tell him, Pritesh, come back, you're gonna fall, and he's not listening, should I scream? Yes, I can scream. Because why am I screaming at him?
Because he's doing the wrong thing.
And I want to protect him. I want to protect him. Yeah, he can roll over, he can hurt himself. So in order to save people from getting hurt, what we need to do? We need to make sure that we are not stuck to कि यार मेरे बारे में लोग क्या सोचेंगे. और पता है leadership में सबसे बड़ी जो disqualification ये होती है, they are people pleaser. If you are a people pleaser, you cannot be a good leader.
So you mean that we don't get stuck at the wrong place?
Yes, we don't get stuck at the wrong place. Yes, and we don't want to hurt people, but at the same time, we don't want to create. Mataji, mic udhar. We don't want to hurt people, but at the same time, we don't
Want to create tantrums?
tantrums. We don't want to create tantrums. Yes, Mataji.
प्रभु जी जैसे आपने बोला our true identity is disciple of Krishna. So like in our everyday lives we have so many roles or identity, like we are spouse, parent. So we start kind of considering that as our identity, primary identity.
Yeah.
So how do we associate like our daily identity along with the true identity as being a disciple of Krishna?
Very nice, very beautiful question. So how do I make sure that my roles are not conflicting with my true identity? How do I actually make sure that हम इन दो चीजों में सामंजस्य कैसे लाएं? That's the question. Huh? So it's not easy, first of all, because सबसे difficult काम क्या है? हमारी identity समझना. अभी भी हम कितना पढ़ रहे हैं, but 30 seconds क्लास खत्म हुई, बाहर गए, गाड़ी में ही आइडेंटिटी चेंज रहती है. वो तो भूल ही जाओ, फिर अगले एक हफ्ते में क्या होता है, we don't know. So that's the hardest bit to understand, that I'm not this body, I'm the spirit soul, which is the servant of Krishna, part and parcel of Krishna. Now, how do we understand this? One of the things that I do, and it really helps me, and I'm going to be very honest with you, because आप लोग सब लोग, we are all our grastas, ना? ग्रस्ता में कभी भी husband wife ना वो honeymoon period बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है, ठीक है? उसके बाद then it all becomes, how can I live peacefully with this person? है ना? That's what we do. By chanting, yes. So what we need to do is, in order for us to accommodate that, what I do is, I look at my spouse and my son as a gift from Krishna for me to serve Krishna through them. है ना? लेकिन ये क्या? This is not one-sided road. Our partners need to think the same way. हम लोग कहते हैं, I'll treat you like Krishna, कहता चटी के पाँव दबा. That's not the way. Simple. मैंने बहुत बार बोला है, if you want a Ram to be your husband to be like Ram, you need to become like Sita. And if you want your wife to be like Sita, you need to act like Ram. You can't act like, what was the example I said, Dusasan, and you are acting like a Dusasan and you want your wife to be like Sita. That's not gonna happen. So what I do is and ऐसा नहीं कि I'm always successful, but this really helps sometimes when I'm really stressed out and when I have a lot of conflict in my priorities and I have to serve my family somehow. What I do is, somehow I say, look, this is also my seva towards the Lord, because He has given me this family, because this is the right fit for me to have my growth. लेकिन उसका advantage, make sure that we are not taking advantage of our partners as well, and we are not. So it's an equal thing. But ultimately, how do we do it? Is the things you as a daughter, as a mother, as a wife, you have different roles to play, but you can always play these roles as a servant, not as boss. Same with guys. If you think that, I've heard so many times this. and I don't like it, but I've heard that I'm the boss, I'm the head of the family. You know, definitely men can be head of the family if their character is like Ram, they can be head of the family. If you are struggling, your wife is struggling, both of you are head of the family then. You can't have one person as head of the family, because what happens is then it becomes autocracy. Beta, yes.
So, like, if you're the one who's being like Dushashan, then your wife would obviously be like you, because whatever action you give to somebody, that's what the action you get back.
Yes, very nice. Wow.
प्रभु autocracy क्या होता है? Sorry, you said.
So what happens is it's like Tanashahi.
Okay.
Tanashahi. So it's like Tanashahi. I'm not a Tanashahi. Like, it's good to have. It's like even Bible में भी men को बोला गया है, men should be the head of the family. But that head of the family, if he is pretending to be a Tanashahi, then he's not head of the family. Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead, and the reason why he's supreme personality of Godhead, because in Rajasuya Yagya, he was washing people's feet. He was washing people's feet, because that if you have that kind of humility, you're always head of the family. But if you're like Kansa, if your behavior is like Kans, you're not head of the family. Yeah, you are nothing. But what happens is, we have to understand in our life, we have to remember that me being a head of the family can only come through one thing, which is humility. If I can become a servant, that's why हमारा ये जो the Vyasasana that I'm sitting, इसका पहले बोला जाता था इसको Bhakti Vriksha leader. And then they realize lot of Bhakti Vriksha leader, they start thinking of themselves as king. So they will take advantage of people and they will give them instructions. So they changed it. They said, no, you're not Bhakti Vriksha leader, you're Bhakti Vriksha servant leader. That means my job is to serve you. You're not here to serve me. And if this is the intention a husband has, then wife will automatically serve. When you serve, you get service in return. But if you don't, then you cannot claim to be the head. Because to be a head of the family, you need to have the characteristics of the family. One of the characteristics of the head, which is humility. First is humility. What's the time? 8:46. I think we should stop. Okay, I'll make the last point and then we'll go. So, a leader a parent avoiding discipline due to guilt. कई parents होते हैं ना बच्चों को, यार मेरे को बचपन में बहुत मार पड़ी थी. I'm not gonna correct my kid. That's rubbish. But we should never correct our kids with force. And I'm telling you, psychologically, हमारे शास्त्रों में भी ऐसा नहीं लिखा है बच्चों को मारना पीटना. आप कहीं पर भी देख लो, nobody, even a teacher will never hit a kid. वो तो फिर बीच में पता नहीं कहाँ से शुरू हो गया कि स्केल पढ़ते थे, स्टिक पढ़ती थी. But it's not true. Even parents को, just by your persona, if you have a really good relationship, all we have to do is have an amazing relationship with our kids, give them a lot of love, and give them, if you have to punish them, you don't have to scream at them for punishment. You can just say, you know what, sorry, I did this to my son. हमारे घर में टीवी है नहीं, so he loves his books, he reads a lot of books. इसका Kindle है क्या ना? So उसकी punishment क्या है? If you don't listen to Papa, I'll say 3 times. If you don't listen, then for 2 days, no Kindle. Wow. He instantly changes. I'm not screaming at him. But I'm not saying that I never scream. I scream at him sometimes, but I know it's wrong. So when I say, when you give punishment, but give them punishment, like tell them there are consequences. So if you do this, I'm gonna take your Kindle away for 2 days, no Kindle. And he gets shocked. 2 days, no. So he goes, no, whatever you want, we'll do it. So we have to do that. But parent avoiding discipline to guilt, that is another example. The third is professional avoiding growth to avoid conflict. Some people, they don't want to grow only because they think, oh, if I grow, then I have to have conflict. आपको पता है, temple leadership or any leadership is very hard task. If I'm sitting here and I want all of you to just like me, only if this is only my intention, then I cannot do justice to this preaching. My job is to present the facts, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. And some of the stuff that I say, it will personally hit you. But that's okay. That's my job. But I don't have any ill feeling towards anyone. And it's not that whatever I'm saying, I have mastered it. But I know the importance of this. And that's what I'm sharing. You know? So, 3 things. A leader avoiding decision to avoid hurting people. A parent avoiding discipline due to guilt. And a professional avoiding growth to avoid conflict. These are all the problems that Arjun is facing in his thing. And then in the next class, we will do this verse, which is where Krishna starts talking. And he will after this he's gonna start talking, and he smiles, and there is a, you know, when he says Krishna is smiling in the midst of both armies spoke. अब कई लोग इसका description करते हैं, why is he smiling? There is a we're gonna discuss a lot in detail why is he smiling. Yeah. But this manual of Bhagavad Gita is not for us to just, you know, Bhagwan Dhanam Dehi, Putram Dehi, I'm reading Bhagavad Gita, please help me. That's not the purpose of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita ka purpose hai, we need to become a better person on a daily basis. एक काम करते हैं, once a week I'm gonna be very good person, and the rest of the week I'm gonna be hell. That's not the purpose of this class, you know. And another reason why I actually bring some of the stuff like videos and stuff, so that people don't fall asleep. That's probably the only reason. But otherwise, the idea of Bhagavad Gita is for us to grow. और कोई ऐसी difficulty नहीं है जो हम लोग Bhagavad Gita से solve नहीं कर सकते. Okay? So we'll stop here. Anybody has any questions, any comment? Yes, Mataji.
प्रभु इसी के ऊपर अब जो अर्जुन है, राइट, जैसे हमारे को वी आर पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ कृष्ण, सच्चे दानव, बट लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम ह्यूमंस को माइंड ईगो इंटेलिजेंस भी मिली है. तो अर्जुन भी वैसे ही थे, उनको भी माइंड ईगो है. तो अगर ऐसे मिली है, माइंड में तो बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं. ईगो मेरा, मेरी फैमिली, मेरा ये, मेरा वो. लेकिन जब भगवान ज्ञान दे रहे हैं, then intelligence does work. Yes. हमारे साथ भी ऐसी है. आई थिंक जैसे आपने जो गुण बताए, सतोगुण, रजोगुण, तमोगुण, लेकिन जब शायद इंटेलिजेंस लेवल, शायद ईगो लेवल तमो और रजो में ज्यादा होता है.
Exactly right.
और जो सतोगुण में वो ईगो
कम हो जाता है.
और वो क्या कहते हैं, आपका इंटेलिजेंस
बढ़ जाता है.
is there. So I think something similar.
Yes. So what happens is that we have mind, ego and intelligence, है ना? So इसमें से हमारा जो मन है, मन और बुद्धि, ये दो अलग-अलग चीजें हैं. मन क्या कहता है हमें? I want to eat sugar right now. Intelligence कहेगी no, you can't if you have diabetic. Whoever wins, that will happen. अगर आपकी intelligence win कर गई, तो you won't have sugar. अगर